Hey, doTERRA friends, how are you?
Hello.
Well, we got our box today.
It was fast, super fast.
Yes, it was. Okay, I don't even know where to start. There's a lot of stuff. Leon, you want to go with your stuff?
Sure, and I'm glad that it came really fast and that we were here because it's really warm out there in St. George, Utah today. Close to 100 degrees. So anyway, I always have something every month that I need. It's, easily $200. Got some things for free on the bonus. But I went ahead and decided to get the MetaPWR Advantage as the primary product, and then I got 3 bonus products that are add-on.
Yeah, they're the cart in the cart.
Cart in the cart. So I ended up getting, and this is a really good value. It has both the PB Restore and the PBSS Plus together. And they are so good. And we just listened to a seminar. The doctor was talking about how this PB Restore is so good for you.
Yep.
Our body really needs the probiotics, and there's 3 different ones in there, 3 or 4 different ones.
Oh, there's the pre, the probiotic, and the post probiotic.
Right, and it's just so good. Your body needs it because there are things that happen in the gut, in the upper area and the lower area that's so important.
Yep.
And how that product really helps.
Yep. Gut health is super important.
Yeah, and so along with that, that was one of my add-ons, and then I always get the Deep Blue Polyphenol. Internally, it's really good for achiness, joints, and so forth.
Yeah.
Of course, you know that the Advantage Collagen is really good for ligaments and joints also.
Yep.
Of course, you can't do without Terrazyme to help you break down the extra enzymes that you need to break down some of your foods that you eat, the high-calorie foods and so forth. So this is one that I got on there. And then I was able to get a couple of things on the for free bonus.
We used some of our points.
So this is the MetaPWR Mito 2 Max, which is a really good caffeinated type of energy boost.
Hi, Valerie.
To get you over the hump.
Yes.
During the day, and it's just really a good boost. It's really good to have. It's just so good. Energy and stamina complex.
What it does is it oxygenates your cells, and that's where, excuse me, the energy comes from, is because we're oxygenating those cells. Say that word 3 times.
Yeah. And also another free oil that I got this month that I was really low on, that I use on a regular basis, is bergamot. And bergamot is so good for you. It's just, I don't know, it's just really good for you. It's something you need. I use it not only in my shakes, but I use it topically also. For helping my body and the cells and so forth. So that's my order this month, which is something I needed.
Okay, so I don't know where to start. Okay, I'll start right here. Dishwasher Pods. I know a lot of times people think, oh, there's really nothing I need from doTERRA, but I'm gonna buy this somewhere. Right?
Right.
So I need the dishwasher pods. If you don't have a dishwasher, of course you don't need them. But these are really good. And I notice that even the inside of my dishwasher seems cleaner and not as nasty looking.
Right.
So dishwasher pods.
Yay.
Okay, another thing that I would buy somewhere is laundry detergent. This is the On Guard laundry detergent. This doesn't have the chemical junk, the toxins, none of that garbage. So you're cleaning your clothes, getting a good clean, but without the garbage. So
and it lasts a long time because you use very little.
I think it's a tablespoon for a front load and 2 tablespoons for a top load. So
and it's just
really nice.
It's really good. It's got a good smell, good fresh smell.
Yes.
It's one that we've been using for, like I said, a number of years.
Yeah, since it came out.
We get a lot of stuff from, we replace things that we normally get at the store. go right to doTERRA and get it. And at the same time, we're getting credit. We're getting free stuff. We're getting
bonus
money,
points.
bonus points.
Yep. So you gotta love that. Okay, so then did you know, most of you know this, I think, but doTERRA has bath bars, so body bars, without the toxins again. Hi, Teresa.
Hi, Teresa.
Oh, my goodness. How are you? Okay, so I got the Serenity Bath Bar, which is calming and soothing, and it's great for relaxing. And I got the Balance Bar.
Yeah, I've been using the Balance right now.
Yes, and
I'm
it's
willing to try the others.
exactly. And this, there again, it's got that Balance essential oil in it, so it helps you to stay grounded.
Right.
And then I got the moisturizing bath bar. So this one is for the, well, you don't even have to have dry skin to use this. It's really great, especially in the summertime when we just get hot and whatnot and dry it out.
We need to protect our skin. It's, you know, one of the largest organs in our body.
Yep.
And,
Okay. So, yeah. So anyway, then I got I'm almost out of this, the body wash, which I know one of the oils in it is, I think it's Douglas fir. But anyway, I love the smell of this. And if you can buy this separately, or you can buy it with the regular lotion. This one is unscented. That way you can put whatever oil you want in that. So if you get the two together, it saves you a couple of bucks. So these are handy. Again, things I'm gonna get somewhere, and I wanna get them with doTERRA because not only do I earn points, but they don't have the toxins. And that's the whole purpose, is to make better choices, healthier choices.
You're trying to help minimize and protect your environment, whether it's inside your home, or protect yourself from the sun or from other toxins that are out there in the, you know, everyday life.
Yep. Then I got the Citrus Bliss lotion. This lotion is, I love the smell of it. It's just kind of a refreshing, energizing kind of scent for this. Love this one. I used it this morning. Mine is getting almost gone. So this one, and it's not a real thick, heavy lotion. It's just nice. And then I am almost out of this. I'm squeezing my bottle, and I run out of this stuff, and then I run out of one of the other products. It seems like I never run out of all the different components of this line of facial stuff at once. So anyway, this is a facial cleanser. Again, it's gentle on the skin, removes the makeup, and again, it doesn't have the toxins. There again, I'm gonna go somewhere and buy this, so I'm gonna buy it from my own little store.
Right.
Okay, then MetaPWR, the soft gels. These, you know, these pretty much amaze me. This is the MetaPWR essential oil blend in a soft gel capsule. Right. And when I use these, and I have been pretty consistent, I am not munching on everything going, oh, I want to have this. I want to have some salty chips or whatever. This has helped me a ton to stop the cravings and to not eat the junk. And I'm really quite surprised at how well these work. But you do need to be consistent for it to work. And I have the beadlets in my pocket, and they're good. You know, midday or whatever, it's good to pop one or two in there. It kind of helps you. You know. It does. Then I got the DDR Prime. I think I used points on both of these. I don't remember. Anyway, this is DDR Prime, which is your cellular complex, which helps the cells to be healthy and to go through the natural life cycle of a cell. It's called apoptosis. Apoptosis. Leon loves that word, so I thought I better. Apoptosis. Anyway, these are so good for you. They are good. They're very good. Okay, then On Guard Soft Gels, or the On Guard Plus, I don't know. It's a must. This is so good to have on hand, and mine are almost out. This is the On Guard blend in a capsule, in a gel cap, but it also has black pepper, melissa, and oregano in here. That's why, pow. That's where the plus part comes in, because it's really On Guard oil, on steroids.
Yeah.
That's what it is, basically.
You
really
know,
great
the
immune
allergy
support.
season is upon us, and
Yes.
we are going crazy, and the drainage, and you get
Yeah.
your glands hurting down here, and it's so good to have some of this stuff available
Yeah,
and
just
have it
support your
right there
body.
handy in your own cabinet, and
Yes.
I've been using it quite regularly, so.
Yep. Okay, then the Serenity Sleep Stick. I don't really need one of these, but you can only get one a month.
Right.
So I want to make sure that I have one or two on hand. This really has been super good for helping me get to sleep and helping my brain to kind of chill out and relax. It's the Serenity blend, the oil blend, but it also has valerian in it. And that
Wow.
valerian really takes that serenity up a notch or two.
It
really,
smells
really good.
so good.
Oh my gosh, it really does.
Put it right underneath
It does.
here. And,
Yes.
it just really smells good at night.
Yes, it certainly does. Okay, then I got the Endless Summer. This is a limited time only essential oil.
Right.
And we're going to open it because I haven't smelled it yet.
We're going to use it.
grief.
Are we using
Here,
it in
open
the
that.
diffuser or what?
I don't know. Probably in the diffuser or even in my hands and breathe it in. I know it's got grapefruit. That's the only thing I can remember.
It's got an interesting smell.
Well, don't upset. I want to smell.
Sorry.
Yeah, I can't. Ooh, yeah, lots of little print.
But
Can't
just
read it.
make sure you got the top back on when you're reading it.
Ooh. Oh, yeah, I can smell. I think it's got tangerine in it, too.
Yeah, it's good smells.
Ooh.
Fresh
Yeah,
smells
I like
for
it.
summer.
I like it. Ooh, you almost want to lick it, but don't, because I don't think you can use this one internally, but I don't know. Let's see.
It's hard to see. The writing's so small.
Yeah, this
Of
one,
what
I don't
they're-
think you'd use this internally because it
No.
doesn't have a supplement box
But
on
does
it.
it tell you what's in it, though?
Well, it does if you can read the tiny
Oh,
print.
boy, there's a lot of stuff in it. It's
Yeah,
so
it's-
good.
ooh,
A
I
lot
gotta
of
smell that
citrusy
again.
smelling stuff.
Gosh, I really like
So it's
that.
limited time only.
Yep.
So
While supplies last.
it's always good to have something different
Yeah.
to diffuse in your home and make your
Yeah.
home smell fresh and clean.
Like the Costa Brio that was limited last time. I think they still have it, but I got that
Yeah.
one last month when it came out, and I love it. I have heard a couple people say they don't like it, and I'm like, what's wrong with you people? But anyway, that's just
Yeah.
me. Okay, Ylang Ylang is the oil that is 10% off
Yeah.
this month.
It's a
I
pricey oil, so
love
it's
this.
good to get it when it's on
Yeah,
sale.
it definitely helps take off a few bucks. I love the smell of this. I love the calming of this. When I just breathe it in, I'm just like, I'm just calm. It's really great for your hair. You can just kind of put a couple drops in your hair and wet, when your hair's still wet, or even when it's dry, you can just kind of comb it through your hair. It's
Yeah.
really good
It's
for
really
your...
good for calming.
It's so
And you can
nice.
mix it up too. You got the
Yep.
Serenity, you got the Lavender, you got the Lang Ylang, you got the Peace. You got a
Yes.
whole bunch of different things that you can try.
Yeah.
It depends on how you're feeling. What's your intuitional feelings
Definitely.
about what you want to calm yourself down at the end of the day.
Yes. And then the free oil, this is limited also bergamot or bergamot, I don't know how you say it, bergamot mint. And this is it's not a combination of bergamot and mints.
No,
It
it's
is
separate.
It's a different tree.
Yeah.
And it's all on its own. We've had this, I think, once or twice before.
Yeah.
But this is something you can't get on a regular basis.
Right.
So.
And it's also a very good diffusing oil.
And like I said, it was free.
And it's good topically, so
Yeah.
it's just a good thing to have to
Mm-hmm.
give your senses a little bit of variety.
Yeah.
Type smelling
Exactly.
things makes you
And-
feel better.
How we get this for free is we place our loyalty rewards order. I think they just have changed that to subscription order. The nice thing about these subscription orders, you can change what you get every single month. You're not
month.
stuck in like these 5 items or these items or whatever.
You get
So
what you need,
You get what you, yeah.
and maybe try something new. you
Yes.
know?
So when I place my order of 125 PV, then it automatically just adds to your cart. And this one was the
Yeah.
free one this month. And
Good
then
stuff.
a couple other things that I got. I've got this PV Assist Plus, which is the pixie sticks that I've I think I've showed you before. You just kind of rip off the top and pour it on your tongue.
Yeah.
This is a little sample pack, so I wanted to get one.
These are ones that you can mail out or have them mail out, right?
I think so. I don't know for sure. I know they used to.
Out to friends in the mail, and they can try it, and then they can order it directly from doTERRA, and we'll get credit for it.
Yeah,
as far as
if
I
they use your
understand.
link.
If they use your link, you know, and and this is just a way of shipping it out, so you don't have to do it sometimes. But she got some as a sample.
Yep, and then I got these have been out for a long time. The Live magazine. I don't know if they've redone this. I don't know. But I love these little booklets because it gives you some basic things for your health, like the doTERRA Health Pyramid. I love that because right in the front, it's talking about the different parts of the health pyramid, the doTERRA Health Pyramid, which is nutrition and digestion, movement and metabolism, rest and manage stress. That's a big one. That's a big one. Reduce toxicity, which these all do. Informed self-care and proactive medical care. And then it gives you some oils and lifelong vitality and some ideas of things to use.
Right.
And then it shows you nutrition and digestion. And it gives you lots of different options there. And then movement with your deep blue and all these other things. It's just a great way to help people that have just purchased, or that you're helping to that you're helping someone to understand what the products are. This is so great to have.
So it's good to have on hand if someone is inquiring, and it's an easy way to present and share
Exactly.
the doTERRA.
The doTERRA vision.
Vision.
Yes, ma'am. And then natural home care with your abode and different things like that.
Right.
And skincare. Oh my gosh, it's
just
full
got
of
a lot
great,
of stuff
great
in
stuff.
there. It's a good reminder for us that even if we have that in our home, we can look at it and refresh ourselves about what we need to know.
Yeah, because it's easy to go, oh yeah, I forgot. I didn't even think about this.
So again, we've gotten a lot of things. Every month we get a lot of things because we use the product. We're a product of the product. We like the product. We trust the product.
Definitely.
And we are part of the mission of doTERRA is to help the world to heal. So, and there's so many things out there. You go to the store and you can't tell what you're getting. But you can trust almost, I would say, everything, 100% of what you get from doTERRA.
Well, just with that being said, now you have to watch the labels on anything you buy in a can at the store, because quite often it's going to say
bioengineered.
Bioengineered, thank you. Yeah. Bioengineered products in here, and it's like, just leave
if you
things
can
alone.
grow it in your garden,
well,
or if you got a farmer's market or whatever, you just try to get the best things. Your body is like an automobile, like a sports car. You gotta put good things in it, take care of it, tune it up, keep it going. Make sure you get all the different, servicing that you need. And this is what
put good fuel in it.
Put good fuel in it, and that's what
I don't
doTERRA
always do that,
product.
but
doTERRA. There's a lot of stuff we love to eat, so
we're trying to be more cognitive of that and being more aware. So anyway, that's what we got this time. So
all right, go tear it up.
Yeah, good to see you two on here, and there might be other people that I can't see the names, but
alrighty,
thanks
have
for
a great
watching.
day.
Appreciate you guys. Okay, bye.